I want to use this power supply for a radio in my house. It didn't originally go with it, so I want to see, A, does it work? And also I want to confirm the amount of voltage that comes out of it. So first thing I'm going to do is plug it in. And if you have a voltmeter or multimeter, you can measure the amount of electricity in this thing. So I'm going to set it to 200 volts. And then if I place one probe on the outside, and then I just touch one on the inside, there I can see this is putting out 19.7 DC volts. So there you go. You can use a multimeter to confirm that a power supply works and how much electricity it puts out. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.